the installation video for the 9-in-1 Cavitation Lipo Laser body sculpting machine. Here is the main machine, and here is the holding brisket for the Lipo Laser pad, and two the holding part, and one holding brisket for the handle. Here are the 8 pads, 6 big pads and 2 small pads, the funnel, the cavitation handle, the 8 polar RF handle, vacuum RF handle, and the cooling hammer, bipolar RF handle, tripolar RF handle, and 10 polar RF handle. Here's the strap. And next we are going to connect the brisket with the main machine. Take off the screws from the main machine and then connect the laser pad brisket. Example on the other side. After we have installed well for the pad brisket, next connect this holding part with the main machine. And then take off the shell on the top of the holding part. And then connect the brisket for the handles. I'm now going to install well for the handles and laser pads. First, we need to connect with the laser pad first. Connect the laser pad first. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 socket for the laser pad. Bipolar RF handle. Tripolar RF handle. Polar RF handle. Polar RF handle. Cavitation handle. Vacuum handle. Here is a plastic part. Here, we receive the main machine, remove it, and then connect the vacuum handle. The cooling handle. Here's the funnel. When you want to use the cooling handle, you can use the funnel to pour the water into the water tank inside of the machine. And then put the water into the funnel. When you want to take off the funnel, press the blue plastic ring. And it is the whole installation video for the 9-in-1 cavitation machine.